To enable voice isolation in iOS 18, start by opening the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and select Control Center. Then tap on the plus sign next to Noise Cancellation to add it to your control center. Next, go back to the Settings app and select Siri and search. Then turn on the switch for voice isolation. This feature uses advanced audio technology to reduce background noise and enhance your voice during phone calls and video conferencing. To test the feature, make a phone call or start a video conference using an app like FaceTime. Once the call is connected, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the noise cancellation icon, which looks like an ear, and select Voice Isolation. You will notice a significant reduction in background noise, allowing the person on the other end to hear your voice more clearly. This feature is particularly useful in noisy environments or when you are in a crowded space. It is essential to note that voice isolation may not work as effectively in all situations, especially when there is a lot of background noise or when you are speaking softly. However, it can greatly improve the overall quality of your phone calls and video conferences. By following these steps, you can enable voice isolation in iOS 18 and enjoy clearer and more effective communication on your device. Remember to turn off the feature when you are in a quiet environment to conserve battery life and ensure the best possible audio quality.